Sun-dried tomato with pan-fried halloumi, hot broccoli, served with olive oil, rosemary and garlic popcorn. So to start, you need 30 grams of popcorn, nude and popped. And you want to add to that 3 tablespoons of olive oil and give that a nice gentle swish round in the bowl. And then if you get hold of a large clove of garlic and you want to slice it very thinly and then chop it up into small lovely pieces ready to add into your popcorn bowl. And then you want to add into there a few pinches of lovely fresh dried rosemary and of course some lovely sea salt and the obligatory black pepper. Lots of twists of black pepper. And then give it another lovely stir round and leave the popcorn ready for later. And then we get our broccoli and you want to chop it into small little trees. And then chop each tree into small little pieces. We're going for tiny chunks, which we're gently going to fry in a tiny bit of olive oil in the pan. Get it all nicely browned, browning nicely. And then you want to add in a pinch of crushed chilies and get those nicely swishing round with the broccoli. And then very quickly go and get some cold water and just cover the broccoli and let that boil down so the broccoli becomes all nice and tender. And meanwhile, we're going to slice our 10 sun-dried tomatoes to nice small pieces. So once all that liquid has boiled down and the broccoli is all nice and soft and delicious, what we're going to do is add in our sun-dried tomato and swish that round so it gets all nicely warmed in the pan with all the juices and the flavour of the chilli and the broccoli. And then get that over to one side of the pan so we can just put a tiny dash extra of olive oil on the side there and add in your halloumi pieces, which is about 175 grams of halloumi there. Brownish on both sides before you mix all the ingredients in together. And oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. All those lovely smells of broccoli and chili and warm sun-dried tomato with the halloumi. Oh, and then we add in our popcorn. Now all those lovely juicy bits of garlic and olive oil that are at the bottom, make sure you get all of that in and let it all cool down before you add the popcorn in. Don't add it in straight away. Into your serving dish with, of course, more black pepper. And oh my goodness, it's ready as a delicious sharing lunch for 2. Now this menu is with loads of others from my Sweet and Savoury Menu cookbook. Inside you'll find savoury dishes, salad, sweets, party bites, yummy but light, some extra bits on the end, lovely ideas. And that's today's one, look, sun-dried tomato, halloumi, hot broccoli and olive oil, rosemary, garlic popcorn.